You don't have to go away to get away. That's the message from NYC and Company. During these times of high gas prices and a weak dollar, more and more people can't travel like they used to. Maybe it's time for a staycation. But don't think of that as a bad thing.
We think that we're much more than a consolation prize, the greatest city in the world. Stay in New York or come to New York from the suburbs and enjoy all of what we have to offer.
How about a trip to Governor's Island? The ferry's free, and so is the island's Saturday Folk Music Festival, which kicks off at 1:30. While you're there, check out New York City's Waterfalls exhibit. Normally, you'd have to go to Madagascar to see collared lemurs and fossa, but these days they're hanging out in the Bronx at the brand new $62 million Madagascar exhibit at the Bronx Zoo. All right, maybe you're more of a beach person. Orchard Beach is also known as the Bronx Riviera. Easy to see why. Don't miss the Latino Film Festival at Thomas Jefferson Park in Manhattan, complete with outdoor screenings. Sunday in Brooklyn, the place to be is Jelly NYC, a concert event for people of all ages at the McCarran Pool from 2 to 7 p.m. Then there's the Discover Staten Island tour, which hits all the borough's hot spots. And these are all places right in our own backyard that we might not even think about.
All of us that live in New York often forget all of what New York has to offer. So this is just a great opportunity for us to open up our eyes and be open to things that we haven't tried in a long, long time.